IELTS/TOEFL Vocabulary Lesson 7 Cities. Congestion. Situation of too much traffic, causing delays. I have to leave home very early in the mornings because of the congestion on the way to my college. Hinterland, the area around a city affected by its development. I live in the hinterland of our capital city, where we regularly go for shopping and for work projects. Carpooling. A voluntary system for people to travel in a shared car to reduce fuel use. Karen and I carpool to work every day. Transport hubs. Centers where many routes converge. Heathrow Airport is the largest transport hub in Europe. High-rise. A tall modern building with many floors. The view was blocked by two high-rise apartment buildings. Urban sprawl. The situation where a city expands and buildings are constructed without control or laws. Urban sprawl has resulted in the rapid expansion of many Asian cities, with resulting damage to the environment. Do you know the meaning of infrastructure? Tell us in the comments below. Quick revision.